Did you hear that? There is nothing turning in there or cutting that pencil. So I just want to look inside that. And there's a gear in there. Let's see. There's the sharpening post. If I push that in there, that thing is just going back and forth. That gear is not turning it. Something is wrong. So let's find out. Oh yeah, look at that. That gear is busted. The teeth were broke. So off to the 3D printer I go, and I've created a new one. Details are below if you're interested. So I'm just going to, I'm cleaning up the sharpener and getting rid of all the filings before I install the new gear, which I had to do a little bit of finagling and I had to take some out of it because it wasn't a perfect fit, but you don't want it too loose either. And then I'm putting it back together and we're going to try it. Let's see. Oh yeah, listen to that. That is sharpening fixed.